Hey guys, if you're getting this notification when you start your BMW, you should go ahead and check your tire pressure. There is functionality for doing this under the vehicle status. There's tire pressure monitor in here where you can measure the tire pressure. If for some reason this is taking a really long time and it's not providing any results, then you should go ahead and check your tire pressures manually. I have a link up there for the correct tire pressures for the BMW 520d. After checking the tire pressures and making sure they are correct, you can go ahead and perform the reset by clicking here. It says inflate all tires to correct pressure, then perform reset only possible when stationary with the ignition or engine on. Perform reset. Now it's saying that the tire pressures will be measured while driving. I hope this solves your problem. If this was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing for future content as well. Thanks for watching.